Hey, Big D here with the MarijGro. Beautiful day outside as you can see on the farm. I'm here to show you some of our wonderful new product that we have. Over here we got the MarijGro all-in-one kit. It's all you need to add is water and set it by a south-facing window and you've got a wonderful plant in less than 9 weeks. And it comes with a growing guide, 2 autoflower seeds, a rapid rooter plug for faster rooting, your start and your finish fertilizer, a measuring spoon for the fertilizer, and then over here you get 7 pounds of Happy Frog soil along with it. You get a heavy duty fabric pot and a saucer to catch the extra water in. And over here we've got a female that's about 7 weeks old. She's got about 2 more weeks before she's completed. And then I want to show you, come on over here, I want to show you our wonderful line of fertilizers. The MarijGro and the Mega Bud comes in 4 different sizes. It's the easiest and the best fertilizer on the market. All you do is sprinkle it around the outside of the plant and every water carries that nutrients down to the root for fast growing plants. Then over here, I want to show you our seeds we have available on the website. You can either buy one at a time or you can buy 72 packs, 3 seeds in each pack, and you get this wonderful free display. Check us out, MarijGro.com. See you soon.